Earth Day, Birthday is the book that we are reading today. Deep within the jungle green, the biggest lion ever seen stood before his friends and said, "Happy Earth Day!" Deep within the jungle green, the silliest monkey ever seen swung upon a branch and said, "It's not Earth Day, it's my birthday!" The elephant shook her wrinkled head and stomped her foot like a bag of lead. She turned to Monkey and loudly said, "It's Earth Day, not your birthday. Let's plant a row of tiny trees, plow a garden for beans and peas, grab a shovel, get a hoe, hurry up, it's time to go." Deep within the jungle green, the silliest monkey ever seen twirled his tail and proudly said, "It's not Earth Day, it's my birthday." The lumpy pumpy crocodile watched the monkey for a while. He answered with a toothy smile, "It's Earth Day, not your birthday." Let's pick up papers off the ground. There's lots of litter, look around. Collect the garbage that you see, stick it in a bag for me. Deep within the jungle green, the silliest monkey ever seen ate a banana and proudly said, "It's not Earth Day, it's my birthday." The tall giraffe complained, "Oh dear, I see we have a problem here. Let me make this very clear. It's Earth Day, not your birthday." We'll do our part to clean the land, recycle bottles, glasses, cans. Come on, my friends, I lead the way. Let's recycle every day. Deep within the jungle green, the silliest monkey ever seen rubbed his belly and proudly said, "It's not Earth Day, it's my birthday." Hippo opened his mouth up wide on the muddy riverside. He turned to Monkey and loudly cried, "It's Earth Day, it's not your birthday." Let's take our cloth bags to the store. Buy 3 pineapples, maybe 4. We'll use our cloth bags every time to shop for coconuts and limes. Deep within the jungle green, the silliest monkey ever seen shimmied up a tree and said, "It's not Earth Day, it's my birthday." Snake slithered through the leaves up high as the monkey scampered by. She raised her head and said, "Oh my, it's Earth Day, not your birthday." Let's go start a compost bin. Toss our rotten garbage in. Watch me and I'll show you how. We'll get started on it now. Deep within the jungle green, the silliest monkey ever seen jumped around and proudly said, "It's not Earth Day, it's my birthday." He whispered in the lion's ear, "Don't you know my birthday's here?" Lion roared back, "Give me a break. I've heard all that I can take. No matter what we do and say, you think it is your special day." "But it is," said Monkey. "Can't you see? Here's my mom with a cake for me." The lion gasped, "I made a mistake. Please share your yummy birthday cake." "Of course," said Monkey with a shout. "But first I'll blow these candles out." Then all the animals yelled, "Hooray! It's Monkey's birthday and it's Earth Day."